good morning. I'm Sebastian Smythe. We're here at Springvale Blueberry Farm. It's a 53-hectare blueberry farm, and the farmer got in touch with us. He wanted a seamless transition between ZESA, solar, generator, and he also wanted to reduce his operational costs. It's a 150 kilowatt system with about 200 kilowatt peak of east-west facing solar arrays and about 180 kilowatt hours of lithium-ion battery. The load is about 120 kilowatt load. It operates for about 4 months of the year, leaving the other 8 months. We've installed a net meter here, so the excess energy during the 8 months of the year that it's not operational will be fed back into the grid and credited. The system's taken about 1 month to deploy. At this farm, it's a east-west array because it's a very constant load all day with the pack shed. So we want the solar to generate power from as early as possible to as late as possible with a constant of around about 100 kilowatt output. So we can reduce our battery size and have a much lower cost system in the long run.
Hi, my name is Blessed Gara, Pecos Manager, Marylight Enterprises, Marondera. I just want to thank you guys for this solar project. I think it has improved our productivity due to the seamless changeovers between the generator, the ZESA and the solar. So I think it has made our life quite easier compared to what we've been doing all along. So we really appreciate this project. Thank you very much.